Let's uncover the truth about the toxic chemicals found in commercial hair care products. We'll compare these harmful ingredients with the natural alternatives used by Morrocco Method to help you make an informed choice for your health. Let's start by looking at Dimethicone, a silicone-based polymer commonly found in commercial hair products. While it can temporarily make your hair feel soft and silky, Dimethicone is a liquid plastic that has detrimental effects on the long-term health and appearance of your hair. Over time, this synthetic ingredient causes major buildup, weighs down your hair, interferes with moisture balance, and creates a barrier, blocking nutrients from reaching your hair. Overall, Dimethicone will leave your hair looking dull, lifeless, and weighed down. Now let's take a look at the natural ingredients Morrocco Method uses to nourish your hair and achieve the same softness without any harmful effects. Jojoba oil works wonders for your hair, as it closely resembles your hair's natural oils. Coconut oil is known for its moisturizing properties. It penetrates deep into your hair shaft, providing superior hydration. Shea butter is also a star ingredient in our products. Sourced from the nuts of the shea tree, it is rich in essential fatty acids that nourish and strengthen your hair, leaving it smooth and manageable. Last, but never least, we have aloe vera, a versatile plant known for its soothing properties. Aloe vera hydrates your scalp, promotes hair growth, and leaves your hair feeling soft and rejuvenated. While other brands rely on harmful chemicals like Dimethicone, Morrocco Method embraces nature's gifts to provide you with healthy, soft hair. Experience the difference Morrocco Method can make for your hair today.